Hi everyone, this is Stephanie Reed and I'll be teaching Appalachian Kitchen Witchery this Sunday, September 8th at the Tennessee Folk Magic Festival at aromaG's in Donaldson. At this workshop, I will be talking about the roots of Appalachian Kitchen Witchery, including what our ancestors brought from the old country to the new, the influences of the Cherokee, and also the influences of the Gullah Geechee. We will also talk about making magic in a more tangible context through homeopathy, using the plant allies that we find in our local areas and also in Appalachia, if this is not your local area, to make things like cakes and teas, tisanes, decoctions, soups, things of that nature for their healing properties and otherwise. And then also some of the tools of the trade, like our cast irons, our salt, things like that, in a more intangible way for magical uses like money, prosperity, protection, warding, and also to scare hates away. So recipes and some samples will be included, and I will probably spill a few secrets from my family as well. So please feel free to join us, and we will look forward to seeing you there and come see what we are cooking up.